Right now, there are YouTube channels making between $1,000 to $100,000 a month, while the creators behind them are completely unknown. Videos like these don't even tend to be original, but they do gain a lot of views by copying videos that already exist within the same niche and transforming them for their channel. Here are some steps to follow so you can do the same. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 6. Create a YouTube channel. This is pretty easy since most people already have a channel of their own. If you watch YouTube videos, you most likely have a channel connected to your email, and this channel is going to be all that you need to start your YouTube career. If you're uncomfortable using the channel that you've been watching, liking, and commenting on videos with, then you can just create a new and fresh channel with a different name. Choose a name that will represent what you'd like to post and add a picture that can display this too. Don't worry, you won't have to make another email account to do this. Just go to your YouTube settings by clicking the small circle with your channel picture at the top right-hand corner of the screen, and in those settings, click on Create a New Channel. You can create as many channels as you want with the same email account, so that can be pretty handy as well. So, when your first channel starts doing well, you can make several other channels under the same email to add to the revenue. This is actually something that a lot of YouTubers do to earn a substantial income, so don't be shy to create dozens of channels if you want to. Number 5. Choose a niche that suits this style. Now, once you've created your channel, you're going to want to choose a channel niche that goes well with the type of videos we've been discussing. Creators who don't reveal how they look in their videos usually have an audio of their voice or someone else's in the background as images and pictures pertaining to the topic of their video roll by on screen. But what are the best channel niches for this kind of content that can also get your channel popular quickly? There are quite a few niches to consider. Channel niches such as top 10 videos, finance, tech, meditation, and psychology are all great options for these types of videos. And once you've chosen a niche, just look up the most popular videos within the niche of your choosing and create a video just like it. It's kind of a copy and paste sort of thing, but with adding your own touch. You may even consider it re-uploading videos you've already seen, but you do have to make it your own to be fair and not get penalized by YouTube. YouTube does have guidelines, and it's important to know what they are and to follow them. To make these videos, you can get free stock images and footage from sites like Pexels, and use free video editing software like Canva to put it all together. In terms of the audio, you could either record your voice using your phone in a quiet room, or use an audio recording software like Audacity and microphone if you're open to doing that. Your videos are also going to need a script, so you'd have to make that as well. If you're not comfortable recording your own voice or writing your script, then you can get freelancers on sites like Fiverr to do this all for you at a small price. Utilizing freelancers can come in pretty handy when you're running several channels. Number 4. Become a part of the YouTube Partner Program. Being a part of the YouTube Partner Program means that your videos will be eligible for monetization. And what that means is that you'd be able to make money off of your videos through ad revenue. But to become a YouTube partner, you have to meet some requirements. Luckily, there are only 2 of these, and they are to gain 1,000 subscribers on your channel and to have a total of 4,000 hours of watch time from your viewers. To achieve this may seem daunting at first, but as long as you post videos daily, optimize your videos, promote your channel through various means, and make good content, you should be fine. We'll get to video optimization in a little while, but in terms of video promotion, you can do so through joining Facebook groups relating to your niche and promoting through other social media like TikTok and Instagram. Creating appealing thumbnails for your videos can also be helpful, and Canva can be great for this as well. It's also important not to give up on your channel, because to make it at anything, you have to be consistent. Just keep posting and promoting and paying attention to what your audience likes. If a certain video did better than others, then don't be afraid to ask your commenters what they liked about it and to repeat that format for your other videos. Always try to improve. You won't become a part of the YouTube Partnership Program overnight, but if you follow all of the instructions that have been given before, then you'll certainly get there faster than the average channel. Number 3. Optimize your videos. As mentioned earlier, optimizing your videos is pretty important in becoming eligible for monetization. Monetization means ad revenue, and ad revenue means cash. But how exactly can you go about optimizing your videos so they'll be one of the first recommended when people search for videos in your niche? The way that you can optimize your videos is by adding certain keywords to your video title, description, thumbnail, subtitles, tags, and script. To find out what keywords people are most likely to search for on YouTube pertaining to your niche, You can utilize a keyword generator like keywordtool.io or use a very helpful free extension called vidIQ. When you're creating a video title, try to ensure that it's something that real people would actually search for when looking for content within your niche. If your title is a question, make sure that it's a question people really want the answer to. And if your title starts with the words top 10, ensure that the top 10 things you're listing would actually be interesting for someone to look into. And after doing this, add the keywords you found to the title as well. When it comes to your video descriptions, use sentences that make use of the very same keywords you found and add popular tags in there too. The vidIQ extension would be extremely useful when trying to optimize your videos, so try to make use of it as much as possible. It shows exactly what keywords people are using relating to your niche with a quick search, so go ahead and try it out. Number 2. Advertise through your videos. After your channel has met the requirements for monetization and you're allowed to advertise through your videos, try to make as much use of advertising as possible. The way it works is that you get a percentage of money based on the amount of people who view your ads, so showing more ads throughout your videos would be wise in order to make the best of this. So try to make longer videos to ensure that there's enough space for ad placement. If your videos are about 10 minutes long, then you can position an ad every 2 minutes of your video as well as at the beginning and end. Making videos longer than 10 minutes can increase the amount of ads you put in your videos, hence giving you the chance to make even more off of ad revenue. A 20-minute long video can have up to 14 ads within it if you follow the ad per 2 minutes rule. Along with this, you can also place affiliate links in your description to make more off your videos. You can advertise a certain product for your entire video and then place the link of where your viewers can buy it in your description. A good example of this would be if you have a tech channel and you do reviews of certain tech products. There are channels who demonstrate how useful and durable certain tech supplies are throughout their review, and then place their affiliate link for their viewers to buy one for themselves in their description. If you're not sure how to get an affiliate link, it's pretty easy through using websites like ClickBank and Amazon, which are known for having great affiliate programs. So, if you're interested in that, go ahead and try it out. It's a great way to get extra money on top of ad revenue and likes. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for our free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Monitor your click-through rate. Your click-through rate is the percentage of people who click on your video after it's been recommended to them in their search results, browse feed, or suggestions on YouTube. A good click-through rate is going to be about 6%, and you'll be able to achieve this once you stick to the tips mentioned before and are consistent with video production and the quality of your content. You won't reach a 6% click-through rate on your first 10 videos, so don't get disheartened if it's not up to that by that time. Just keep posting and improving. Your channel analytics need to be your best friend when you're starting out, because this is the area that tells you how your channel is doing, what videos your audience likes, and at which point they're clicking away from your content. Observing all of this can tell you what to do more of and less of in order to better your channel. If you can achieve a 6% click-through rate and 60% of average watch time on your videos, then your channel will be well on its way to success. Make sure to check out the next video to find the best YouTube faceless niches. See you there.